Hi, my name's Andrew from Alto Hearing. Today I'm going to go through some weekly cleaning for your receiver in the canal hearing aids. So at the end of each week, it's really good to do a little bit of an extra check just to make sure they're functioning as well as possible. Taking off the dome by lifting up and pulling, you can have a good clean of some mild soapy water of these rubber domes and leave them to air dry overnight so they're sparkling clean and disinfected. The next thing we need to check each week is the wax filter, which is on the end of our speaker and a little white unit here. That's going to catch any debris and wax from our ear from entering the speaker. Visually check that that looks open and clear, and you can see a little silver mesh down at the bottom. If you see some light build up, try giving a little brush with the included black brush to see if you can lift that and loosen it. That should work for most weekly checks. If you feel that the wax filter is blocked and you feel it's affecting your sound quality, open up your wax filter pack and you'll see lots of black little sticks. On one end you'll see a removal tool, on the other a fresh wax filter. Taking the removal end, holding the speaker in one hand, insert the little nodule into the wax filter and gently pull out. You can now see the wax filter has gone. Spin the black stick around and repeat by inserting the new wax filter in. Pull away and you'll see the wax filter is now in there, and this little black stick can go in the bin. Once you're ready to put your dome back on, hold the speaker or the receiver and gently insert that long part into the dome and give it a nice firm press. I like to check with a little gentle pull that it is on securely so it doesn't come off in your ear. Once you've done that, pop them in the charger, ready for another night's charge.